In this short video, the supervisors who has called Megan into a conference room at a big company meeting, their CEO announced a major decision. Megan spoke up and told everyone that he thought Rhea decision was the wrong one as Megan boss. Rhea arranged this meeting to discuss a situation with Megan. This video shows two possible approaches Rhea can take to resolving a conflict. Which or do you choose? Hi Ria, how are you? Megan, I hope you are as well. You asked to see me? What is this about? Okay, well, I was very disappointed in your responded to the announcement yesterday. I think it was unprofessional and put me in a very bad position as your supervisor. I'm sorry to hear that, but if you knew what you were doing, I would not have responded that way. How would you handle this situation if you were Megan? Let's look at one way in which she could handle it. And I have had enough of your childish behavior and lack of respect. You can pack up your belongings now. I will have security escort you from the building. Perhaps if Megan had taken a different approach, they might be able to discuss their differences. Let's take a look. Well, Megan, I'm sorry that you feel that way. Had I known you feel that way, I would have made sure we sat down to discuss this prior to the meeting. Now, why don't we sit down and discuss why I do not know what I'm doing, Megan. You sit down on the same side of the table facing in each other, both learning slightly forward in an active listening. Post this conflict has a chance at being resolved. While they may not completely resolve their conflict by listening actively, focusing on facts, and showing respect to Rhea, Megan has taken a critical first step as a supervisor in attempting to resolve it.